In this video, I'll show you how to fix Western Union tracking not updating. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to fix the issue where Western Union tracking is not updating, first open the Western Union app or website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your transaction history and select the transfer you want to track. Sometimes the tracking information may not update immediately because the transfer is still being processed by Western Union. In many cases, it can take some time for the system to update the tracking status, especially if the payment was just sent. Wait a few minutes and then refresh the page or reopen the app to check if the tracking information has been updated. Next, make sure you are using the correct MTCN or tracking number. The MTCN is the reference number used to track Western Union transfers. If the number is entered incorrectly, the system may not show the correct tracking status. Double-check the number and try tracking the transfer again. You should also confirm the payment status. If the payment method you used, such as a bank transfer or card payment, has not been fully processed yet, the tracking status may not update until the payment is completed. In this case, you may need to wait until the payment clears. Another helpful step is to check your internet connection and refresh the app or website. Sometimes the tracking information may fail to update because of a temporary app glitch or a weak connection. If the tracking status still does not update after some time, the next step is to contact Western Union customer support. Visit the Western Union support page and start a live chat or contact them through their official support channels. Provide them with your MTCN number and transaction details so they can check the status of your transfer. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.